Hello everyone, welcome to the Bikerz. I'm Neeraj. Lately we had made 3 different colors of camouflage. The first one was brown, the second one was grey, and the third one was green camouflage, which we made for our clients in India. Looking at those camouflage color schemes, we got an inquiry from one of our clients in Australia, and he has a very special taste. What he wanted us to do is to make a camouflage in 3 colors. One is ivory, off-white, the second is black, and the third is golden. And initially we were not very sure how the camouflage would look, but then yes, we made it, and now the kit is ready in front of you people. Let me show you how the kit has turned out to be. As you can see here, this is the rear mudguard with the Bikerz logo in golden color, which will come right above the tail lamp of the motorcycle. This is the front mudguard. This is the battery cover. This is the other side cover. 2 boxes, one is toolkit box and the other is the filter box. This is the fuel tank. As you can see, Royal Enfield is written in golden color. This is also paint. Everything that you see, I must tell you again, everything is paint. There is no sticker work or wrap work. One additional thing that we did for him is we have made golden color side mirrors with black sticks in the bottom, and I'm sure these will look very pretty on the bike. So now what we have to do is we have to pack these parts very nicely, because they have to travel all the way to Australia, and then we will be waiting till the time he fits these parts on his motorcycle and he sends us a video. We'll check out how the bike is looking. If you have any other questions regarding my channel, you can mention in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, not to forget, our website is on. The website is www.thebikerz.in. I will also put the link in description. You can buy our own leather goods that we are manufacturing with our own brand, The Bikerz, from the website. That's it. Ride hard and ride safe. Cheers.